Welcome to my fans of TV. Rico FIFA World Cup. Kiko Monterrey. Kiko Mexico. I'm joined by my fans of TV royalty.
Steve Ofere.
I'm Nandi Rutmani.
Yeah,
sure.
Sihlangane emazweni.
Yeah. Fair. Far from home.
Emazweni Chita.
Asike
Bathi in William Shakespeare.
Sure.
In his famous book Macbeth.
Yeah, okay.
It starts with the three witches.
Okay.
Uthi, when shall we meet again?
Sure.
In thunder, in lightning,
sure,
and in storm.
Explain.
Now siyahlangana.
Sure.
Sihlangana eMexico, ilanga liphumile.
Long awaited interview.
Straight to the point, Chita. It was long awaited.
Yes.
I've been wanting to come to the channel since its formation.
Yes. Abantu abaqala ukuthi you were there from the start.
We understand.
Uloku ngayiye emuva nothime.
We understand. We understand. Kanti uNkulunkulu Chita unezinto zakhe.
Sure.
Ukuthi masihlangane eMexico.
Sure.
Sizoyivala khona Chita lami.
Yes.
Siyivala in the presence of the Minister of Sport. Minister of Action, that's how I call him.
Papa Action.
Gayton Mackenzie.
Yes.
We are here, Brian, on his invitation, and that's what we need to thank. I need to take this opportunity to thank the Minister of Sport, the entire panel that adjudicated to select the fans through representation of their teams. So I just need to do that before singing a game in. Why are we here? We're here for Bafana. Bayadlala ne South Korea, SASA. And I need to be honest with you, Chita. I'm not expecting anything. One-nil pair.
Yes.
Sidlule mngani wami. Siye phambili ukuthi kuzokora bani noma kukore ubani.
Siyayithatha.
Noma kukore bani siyayithatha.
Simnandi.
Umbokazi uthi
uTLP.
If kumele sidlale u200 minutes.
Sure.
Kumele sidlale u200 minutes. Uthi if kumele kushintshe urefu.
Sure.
Kumele kushintshe urefu.
Njani?
Kusasa it's a do or die.
Yeah, it is.
Sasa kumele siyenze.
Yeah, we on the line.
Kumele yenzeke lento. Noma kanjani. Come rain or sunshine, because kunganetha Mexico.
They must die on the beach.
We don't know, but Chita kusasa kumele sithole 1-0.
Champion score,
Chita. Why ngithi champion scores team? It's because Chita man are a bit shaky.
In what sense?
Particularly in the midfield, Sluze Umrembuli.
Yeah, red card.
Sure. Uyaya is a bit shaky.
Off form.
And manje I'm a bit scared, mngani wami.
Yes.
I don't want to lie. I'm a bit scared.
Yeah, me too.
I'm a bit scared, mngani wami. I don't want to lie. So if Stoli 1-0, Spaggy Bass, to win the match, siye ku round 32. Ku round 32 noma Stoli ban, noma Brazil, noma Spain. Telinduku same 1-0.
Yes.
And then sibona ukuthi siyithatha sembeka.
Ulilaqale sasa.
Makaqale Chita. Makaqale mngani wami. Makamthembu madala.
Umadala kamthembu.
You know why?
Yes.
Dynamite comes in small packages. Intwana izoshine.
Yes.
Intwana kumele ishine.
Yes.
So makaqale ngayo kusasa umadala ayibone. Nokuzwa ke I heard the legend of football OJ Umabizela uthi no Hugo Borsberg protect intwana because bokumele I protect intwana isasencane.
Ayifake.
Mina ngithi makayifake.
No.
Sibone. This boy has got nothing to lose.
Ulena kanjani?
Remember, when Orlando Pirates played against the team le eyase Botswana.
Yes,
uJwaning.
Yes, I remember.
Undwana umese penalty.
Yes, I did.
And he came back again. And did wonders. So there's a room for an improvement.
All the time.
He's still very young. It's his first World Cup.
Yes.
he needs to get there and make some
mistakes, yes, to learn.
Ivari.
Yeah, ulena kanjani?
Njani.
Sure.
So scoreline prediction kusasa
It's 1-0.
1-0
Yeah.
sizobe sida
Yeah.
eMonterrey.
Angiyakuthemba.
Sizobe sishaya inamba khona la eMonterrey.
Yeah.
Sithatha 1-0 Chita sihamba.
Asibonge Rutman.
Thank you very much.
Mina
Chita.
ngireserve ingoma for kusasa. Bengizothi skip ingoma mara ngireserve la kusasa.